On the 29th of March 2025, the Citizen TV broadcast the report by His Excellency Right Honorable Raila Odinga during his visit to South Sudan. The government of South Sudan therefore extends a warm and cordial welcome to His Excellency Right Honorable Raila Odinga, the former Prime Minister of Kenya and Kenya's Special Envoy. Recently visited Juba and had an opportunity to discuss his diplomatic efforts to restore peace and cooperation in the region with His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan. This meeting was integral to his diplomatic efforts to foster peace in the region and cooperation. In his capacity as a special envoy, Right Honorable Raila Odinga was set to travel to Republic of Uganda to formally brief His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni on the outcome of his discussion with the President Salva Kiir Mayardit of Republic of South Sudan. However, the government of South Sudan felt compelled to address and clarify certain aspects of Honorable Raila Odinga's statement made following his meeting, which did not accurately reflect the context or the purpose of his visit, nor diplomatic practice upheld by our nation. During his remark, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, I quote, "I traveled to Juba, South Sudan, as an IGAD special envoy. I met with the President Salva Kiir Mayardit of South Sudan in his office. You know that His Excellency First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar is under arrest with his wife and several others. I asked if I could converse with Dr. Riek Machar, but they couldn't let me see him. So President Kiir instructed me to sit with the President Museveni." End of quote. On that statement, the government of South Sudan respectfully refutes the assertion that Right Honorable Angelina Teng, the Minister of Interior in the Republic of South Sudan and a spouse of First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, is under arrest. This claim is unfounded and does not accurately depict the reality of the situation. Furthermore, the suggestion that His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, requested Right Honorable Raila Odinga to meet with the President of Uganda is misrepresent diplomatic norms and principles. It is essential to clarify also that Right Honorable Odinga's mission to Uganda was prearranged and not directive from the government of South Sudan. In addition, we understand also the importance of accuracy representing national symbols, and we are genuinely concerned about citizen television in Kenya, which recently misrepresent South Sudan flag with that of Sudan. The government of South Sudan remains resolute in its commitment to advance peace, stability, and security within the borders. We are dedicated to nurturing the constructive diplomatic relation with our neighboring countries and the broader international community, so that we are deeply value our partnership with the Republic of Kenya and the IGAD member states. Therefore, we urge all stakeholders or the guarantors to respect the Republic of South Sudan's sovereignty and internal dynamics. For together, we can work toward a mutual understanding and collaboration for the betterment of our region.